Now we are getting to the deep part of this masterclass wherein we are going to talk about your mindset, the way you think, and why it's important para magkaroon ka ng mga high-ticket clients. So let's go ahead and begin. This is going to be three parts. So the first title of this presentation is called "The Secrets to Getting Premium Clients." Okay, all right. Most freelancers, I'll start with that. Most freelancers cannot offer services to premium clients, or shall we say premium services to the premium clients, because they don't have a premium mindset. I know this will hurt a lot. I know a lot of people would say ouch ouch. But as your person na nagtuturo dito ngayon, I have the responsibility to tell you that this happens a lot of times. And I agree, kahit ako, when I was starting 11 years ago, I don't have a premium mindset. Um, Back in 2016, my first time that I attended a training that is worth 4,000 pesos. That was Bob Proctor's. And it was an international course, pero virtual siya. So it's a video that I paid. And then I said like, ang mahal, you know, it's a 4,000 peso video. But you know what? That changed my mind. That was the starting point of everything. And 2019, I was able to attend a training for 300,000. Um, that's only the training pay ha. Bukod pa dyan yung syempre yung hotel accommodation mo, ganyan. That was in Singapore. And then I went to Malaysia. And then after that, I paid millions of pesos in my learnings. Would you say that that's a magic right there? Kasi ako hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala. But the trainings that I attended, they're all worth it. Kasi from 4,000 peso na feeling ko ang mahal-mahal, to investing to millions of pesos accumulative, kasi I had a lot of trainings na is worth 200,000, 250,000, ganyan. Would you say na parang, how did it happen in my mind? How did it happen in this lifetime na in just a matter of short years, I was able to achieve that? And I'm gonna prove it to you that you can do too. So thank you. I want to say thank you for investing in this masterclass, because you are investing in yourself. You are investing in your mindset. A lot of people have um, this mentality that I'm not gonna spend. Nanghihinayang sila sa pera. They thought na hindi nababalik sa kanila yon. They thought that is a waste of time. It will be a waste if you don't practice it, if you do not apply it. Okay? All the price resistance is in the mind of the seller and not the buyer. I want you to understand this. I am not only talking about freelancing here, but a holistic approach to your mindset, how you can become a millionaire. You can't be a millionaire with a minimum wage mind. Always remember that. Your bank account always translates into what you have here in your mind. All right. So all the price resistant is in the mind of the seller and not the buyer. You are your biggest enemy. When you always say it's the limiting belief in your mind. Let's say I'm not ready for to ask that amount. I'm not comfortable asking for that price point. I don't know if I can provide high value to the client. I'm not good enough. I don't deserve this. Listen, we're not faking anything here. Okay, it's up to you if you would like to apply the fake it till you make it. Sometimes it's to a certain level it's true, no, because even if you're not reaching there, but your perception, your reality is I am already there, so probably that's faking. But don't fake it in such a way now we are deceiving people. What I'm trying to say is ipantay mo yung reality mo dun sa gusto mong makuha in your mind. Okay? So, don't think like, I'm not good enough, coach, kasi hindi pa naman ako ganun. Hello, you are almost about to finish this masterclass. Okay? You are your biggest enemy. So, transition, do you think you will get there tomorrow? No. It's a practice. It takes Gradual and everyday consistent believing and moving forward and progressing to the person that you want to become. Do you get it? And I promise you, give it 365 days. You don't need 5 years to become a millionaire. You can turn your life around. You can definitely do it. We usually project our insecurities to our prospects. For example, halimbawa nito, meron siyang agent. So this is a real estate agent that I'm gonna give you an example. This person, this agent is selling $1 million house. But hindi niya mabenta yon because he doesn't have the $1 million house. So yes, sure, nagbebenta siya ng ng property. Pero hindi niya maitawid yung sale. Bakit hindi niya mabenta? Hindi siya maka-close nun? Because he hasn't lived there. And probably in his mind, that's too much. Probably, while this agent is selling $1 million house, pero at the back of his mind, naniniwala siya na hindi naman kailangan mabuhay ng isang tao sa $1 million house. So see, there's the gap of the mentality and the one that you're selling. Right? So, if in your mind, hindi mo deserve yung $1,000 na fixed price amount for a certain amount of time, kung hindi mo deserve yung $15, yung $20 an hour, how will you pitch that to the client? It takes a lot of practice and it takes a lot of believing. But I'm telling you, you are worth it. All right? Subconsciously, your this will manifest in the energy, in the tone, in the voice, in the message, even if you are discussing this to your potential client. So that's an example. Another example, an insurance agent who's trying to sell a premium package to his clients, but he just have a basic insurance package. So in his mind, I can't afford that premium insurance package. How can I sell that? All right. So this is my question for you. Kung ikaw ay nasa e-commerce space and your client is multimillionaire, tapos hinire ka niya to become an FB specialist and you are not a millionaire yourself. Marunong ka, sure, marunong ka ng FB ads kasi dumaan ka sa training ko. Ganyan. How do you handle it? How do you handle this person? This is the answer. Believe in the value that you are providing for the client. It doesn't matter kung hindi mo afford. It doesn't matter kung hindi ikaw yung may $1 million na house. Basta sa paniniwala mo, in your guts, in your field, this house is worthy. In your house and in your field, this insurance package is worthy, even if you don't have it just yet. Imagine the feeling na meron ka nun and you pitch to your clients. Mas maganda kung ikaw mismo you living the dream, di ba? Pero hindi nga lahat pa nandun sa point na yun di ba? May mga Facebook ad specialists tayo in the Philippines who are earning a lot but they are not multi-millionaire. Kasi mas malaki pa rin yung kinikita ng dropshipping company sa income nila. And that is okay. Kasi at the end of the day, you need to be comfortable selling the services to them. You are not your client. Palaging yung tatandaan yan. You are not your client. So don't project your values, your insecurity, your mindset, your limiting mindset to your clients. Remember that when they respond to your application, that means they see something in you. Nag-respond sila eh. Ibig sabihin, nabasa nila yung proposal mo di ba? Hindi ka naman pupunta sa interview phase ng hindi ka nila tinignan. Ibig sabihin, na-screen nila. And there's something in you. There's something about you that they want to hear more. And you are more experienced in this area of business than they are. In your chosen niche, you are the expert. Always position yourself, you are the expert, you are the doctor here, you are the physician here. Okay? They ask for your advice, they ask for your expertise. They are delegating this to a specialist because they are busy running the company as a whole. Remember, maraming mga branches ang isang company. May CEO, may COO, may HR, di ba? May administrative office, may fulfillment, may whatever, di ba? Ikaw, nandun ka sa area wherein you are designated to, you are in the video animation. Ikaw yung tagagawa ng funnel. Ikaw yung taga-respond sa customer service. You are the front. You are the ambassador. Diba? You are the specialist, you're the Google Ads specialist, you're the SEO specialist. So that's your field. And these people are willing to pay for your services because you are an expert in the field. You don't need to be the CEO of your, of your company. You can be just a freelancer. This is the life that I want, diba? So don't forget, if you have limiting beliefs in money and emotional baggages that are unresolved, all the techniques in the world will not matter. So I hope you resolve that first. Okay? Competence leads to confidence. Do everything you can to learn as fast as you could. Because if you are competent, you are knowledgeable with the skill that you have, the one that you carry, and you send applications to, it builds confidence. Ay, alam ko yan. Naaral ko yan. Marunong ako yan. I know that term. I know how to do it. I know how to create this. I know how to make an impact using this. See, kasi pag wala kang alam, talagang mahahalata. Diba? We don't need experts here. We don't need masters like I have a 10-year experience. No. Just be enough. Be competent. Ikaw naman makakaalam nun sa sarili mo na I think I can do this na, coach. Alright? So do everything to learn as fast as you can. Execute these learnings and charge premium fee. The more you know about something, the more confidence you have in explaining it to people. I hope you grasp that. It's an extremely important golden nugget valuable that I give you. On the next video, we will talk about the 7 ways to increase your status or value as a freelancer.